The Supreme Court is set to make a pivotal decision that could significantly impact the Voting Rights Act, a landmark legislation aimed at safeguarding minority voters' rights. In a case that has sparked intense debate, the court will determine whether a key provision of the act can be effectively nullified. This provision, rooted in the 1965 law, was designed to combat historical racial discrimination and ensure equal voting rights for all. But here's where it gets controversial. The court is now weighing whether states can consider race in congressional redistricting while adhering to the Act's Section 2. This decision could potentially gut the very essence of the Voting Rights Act, which has long been a target of conservative legal attacks. The court's ruling could either reinforce the Act's protections or significantly weaken them, impacting the representation of minority groups in Congress and state legislatures. The case, originating from Louisiana, involves a congressional map that was redrawn to include 2 majority black districts. The original map only had 1 such district, despite a third of the state's population being black. The Supreme Court's decision will not only affect Louisiana, but could set a precedent for other states, potentially reducing the number of minority lawmakers. The court's rare request for a re-argument and its focus on a larger constitutional issue have heightened the stakes. The outcome could either uphold the Voting Rights Act's protections or open the door to a colorblind interpretation of the Constitution, as advocated by conservatives. This interpretation, already evident in a 2023 ruling on college admissions, could significantly limit the Act's effectiveness. The case also involves a group of self-identified non-African American voters who have joined the lawsuit, adding another layer of complexity. The Supreme Court's decision, expected to be made quickly, could influence the 2026 midterm elections, potentially benefiting Republicans by impacting the representation of black voters who often vote Democratic. This decision, therefore, carries significant implications for the future of voting rights and minority representation in the United States.